You're gonna make me say my age on camera.
If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone. Do you mind if I sit here?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you, mother-in-law.
That cup is so big.
Is it good?
It's not, actually. But,
Alan, nice to meet you.
nice to meet you also.
I don't think this is reality. I don't know what's going on. This is not supposed to happen.
Today I'm in Austin.
My name's Seth. My name's Alan.
I'm Yash.
And I'm 23, 22.
I'm an engineer. I'm 26.
I work in an emergency vet clinic. Bartending right now.
I approached Ruben at a coffee shop. I said I liked his hat.
Hello.
I was reading your hat.
What?
I was reading your hat.
Ben? Thank you.
How was today?
Much better than I had expected.
It was good. A rough start. What's your name?
Can I help you?
I definitely wanted to ask the girl that was, from LA.
What the fuck? We did all of this
Yeah, I did it
at the last
for
second?
nothing. Are y'all trying to figure out the parking thing? The whole reason that I'm here is to get out of my comfort zone. Like I feel like I'm not really connecting with people all the time.
I feel like I would be a bother to people.
Not speaking my mind most of the time.
I'm not good enough.
I'm just ready to look stupid. I'm ready to feel good. I'm ready to feel bad. I just want to experience life.
Right now we're playing Fuck, Marry, Kill.
Oh, okay, let's hear it.
Yeah.
You're still waiting to order? I'm just gonna sit down. I might as well.
She's stunning.
She's absolutely stunning.
Well, you're gonna help me get tattoos now.
Yeah. I'll go with you. I'll support you. What's your name?
Ruben.
Ruben? Ellen?
Ellen.
Yeah.
Seth.
Hi, Seth. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Cool. So it's your YouTube channel. I'm gonna have to check
called
it out. What's it
social-
about?
It's called Social Animal. I want to show people that you can talk to anyone.
I'm listening.
What surprised me really was that how nice people were.
Yeah, you look like you're from Portland.
I was afraid he was gonna remove his pants and I was waiting for him to do that.
I feel like a human. Like I feel like super connected to just like where I'm at and like in the present moment.
Well, if you ever need another subject,
Do you want to do it?
I'm really
I've been-
fabulous at that, actually.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it.
Cool.
It's easy for me to interact with people whom I've never met. Okay, guys, I'm very curious. What are we looking at? So I kind of just wanted to do what is one of my gifts. Your sideburns are so epic, and sort of maybe demonstrate a little bit how fairly easy it could be, or maybe how not a big deal it is.
Excuse me, this is my seat.
Oh,
I'm just kidding.
I'm like,
No, but hey, I saw you just walking. You're very beautiful. Do you mind if I sit here?
You can climb this tree?
yeah.
People just take life way too seriously.
Oh my God, I love the cowboy boots.
Oh, thanks.
Would any of y'all want to go hiking with me sometime? The people were so receptive.
The opportunities that could come your way just by being open to connecting with people are virtually endless.
So wait a second. This is the first time you get a number like that.
Yeah, actually. Boom, boom.
That was so much easier than I thought it would be.
Behind every single face is a brain that works in a different way than yours, and you don't know what's in there until you talk to that person. You sell tacos.
Yeah. So we have a tortilleria in Austin, nowhere in Ireland.
What's the craziest thing that's happened in your life?
In my life.
Yeah.
I had to say something to you after seeing you.
About seeing how big this is? Yeah.
That was just an excuse.
Devour it.
How's that first time approaching Mills? So that's nice.
I'm so glad I met you.
I know,
mean, well, let's be friends.
Oh my god, yeah, I know.
Yeah, what is your be open to the possibility of what connection could be? Thanks for asking if you could sit here.
Yeah. There's no reason to not talk to somebody if you want to talk to them.
I'm just happy
For what?
for overcoming my anxiety and fears and doing something about it.
Yeah, I mean, it was fun talking to her. You're experiencing life, and to not do those things would be a tragedy, so to speak. Do things that make you feel alive. The more comfortable you are, like with interacting with life, and the more like life is gonna interact back with you.
I was actually thinking like.
All good.
No, I was. You know what I was thinking? I was thinking like, wow, like for a car that messy, you didn't say anything.